Wait. Wait to cross Rancho Vistoso at Arrowsmith Drive. Wait. Arrowsmith Drive.
So they recently opened up, they recently unwrapped this one, so see how it works.
Wait. Wait to cross Rancho Vistoso at Median. Wait.
Median. That one doesn't even, that one is still wrapped and that one got removed. But this one works, so guess that's good. There's a countdown for 30 seconds. That one's wrapped up, but it's probably gonna get removed. But this one works. Okay.
Wait. Wait to cross Rancho Vistoso at Arrowsmith Drive. Wait.
Interesting. It should activate now.
Arrowsmith Drive. Wait. Wait. Cross Moore Loop at Rancho Vistoso.
This one says more loop, but that one over there says Arrowsmith. Interesting. But the signal's red now.
Wait. Wait to cross Moore Loop at Rancho Vistoso. Wait. Arrowsmith Drive.
That's a really short countdown, 12 seconds. It's like they decided to give up halfway through and they only put these two here. That's fine.
Wait. Wait to cross Arrowsmith Drive at Rancho Vistoso. Wait.
Why does that one say median? It should say a different one.
Rancho Vistoso.
Yeah, that one's wrapped, but this one over here is not. We're gonna go over here now.
Wait. Wait to cross Moore Loop at Rancho Vistoso. Wait.
Okay, this is an ongoing occurrence with this. Well.
Wait. Wait. Rancho Vistoso.
They decided to cut off again.
Arrowsmith Drive.
16 seconds. This one has a 16-second countdown. There goes a school bus. They recently did this to this one over here, which is why they put this one in service. It actually doesn't feel loose.
Wait. Wait to cross Rancho Vistoso at Rancho Vistoso.
Okay. Yeah, they decided to rip this one out because look at this, the wires are just sticking out. This one is pretty long, but you know how this one works. So we're gonna go back to this one again and we'll end the tour at the edge.
Loop at Rancho Vistoso.
It did it again.
Wait.
I like these i3s. These are really small ones, but they work. Okay, the signal should turn. This thing should go to. Yep. "12 seconds. This one is 17 seconds long, while the other one is 12, which is pretty odd. We're gonna listen to that again. Listen to this.
Wait. Wait to cross Arrowsmith Drive at Rancho Vistoso.
It did it again. So they took off. This one doesn't even turn on, so it's... So yes, they are. It is apparent they're ripping them off. They're ripping the middle ones out. They're just keeping the original. They're keeping the ones that are not on the median on. So.
Wait to cross more loop at Rancho Vistoso. Wait. Arrowsmith Drive.
I'm running on very low memory right now, but I'll get a good little overview, and you'll get, and that'll be it. See, they wrapped this one up. This one got ripped out, and this one is still covered in wrappings, which is probably going to tell me that, which tells me they're going to rip that one out too. Anyways, that will be it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. That's it, everybody.